Welcome to Lesson 11, Cisco Router Operation. Sublesson 11.7, Examining OSPF. OSPF is an open standards-based routing protocol. It uses the Dijkstra algorithm to calculate the best path. It's classless and supports up to 16 equal cost routes, but only 8 by default. It minimizes update traffic by sending event-triggered updates over multicast and supports both IP version 4 and IP version 6. OSPF has an unlimited hop count. Let's go over a little bit of OSPF terminology. First, the link. A link is a network or router interface assigned to a network. The second is a router ID. The router ID is the IP address used to identify the router. The third is a neighbor. A neighbor is 2 or more routers that have an interface in common on a network. Next is the term adjacency. Adjacency is a relationship between 2 OSPF routers so they can exchange an update. OSPF uses a hello protocol. It's a protocol used to discover neighbors dynamically with a multicast address of 224.0.0.5. Other terms of OSPF terminology are ones like neighbor database. A neighbor database contains OSPF neighbors that hello packets have been seen from. Topology database contains the information from all of the link state advertisement packets that have been received for an area. A link state advertisement, or LSA, is an OSPF data packet containing link state and routing information that is shared among established adjacencies. There is also a term called designated router, or DR. A DR is a router that is elected based on priority to send and receive updates for the remaining routers on a multi-access network. And finally, backup designated router. A backup designated router is a hot standby router for the designated router. It receives the LSAs but does not flood the updates like the DR does. Please join me for Understanding OSPF areas.